are going to love the 2022 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.